everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. Now you all must be wondering that why I am not having any kind of makeup on my face. That is just because you must have got a little bit idea from the thumbnail and from the title that today I am going to that is not me, that is you can say a noob is going to try 5-minute makeup challenge. Basic simple makeup. I am not pro. I always say I'm not pro in makeup, but I am trying my level best, right? So today I'm just going to do that in front of camera because I do get lot of DMs on my Instagram that why don't you try some makeup challenges and all. So I thought of today trying some new makeup challenge. So this is just one of them. Definitely I will be coming with few more makeup challenges and all, and if at all you hear some background noise of some child crying and all, let me be very clear, it's not my son. He is not my son, he is my neighbor's son, and I cannot ask them to keep their mouth shut. I can just tell my son, not them. Right now, without blabbering any further, I'll just show the timer and we'll just start. I have just applied some moisturizer, even you can't see that also right now on my face. I'll just show you the timer and we'll just start. And if at all this challenge fail, please don't make fun of me, because I always say, as I always say, I said in the video also in the beginning, again I'm saying I'm not pro in the makeup. Right now and all the makeup details and everything, after completing whatever I have done on my face, I will show you all the makeup details, that is the products which I have used. Okay, now this is the timer, what you all can see right now. I'll just start and I'll be starting with the primer, that is from the very beginning, first step. So we'll just start with the challenge. 1 second left. Actually, I just forgot to get the lipstick. I'll just get the lipstick till the time. I'll just hold the timer because I forgot to get the lipstick. See, this is the 30 seconds. I'm so sorry, I forgot to get the lipstick. I'll just get it in 2 minutes. Yes, now you all can see, this is, I'm just resuming. It is 30 seconds. I'm resume. Done. Done. See, I have tried to go minimum. I have I'll tell you now the makeup details first. First, for primer, you all must have seen, this is Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect. I'm actually at the point of just finishing off, so I have used that. The Sugar Drop the Base Serum Foundation. For the concealer, I have used Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Caramel. For mascara, I have used this Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. For setting the under eyes, because I generally don't apply powder on my full face, but for under eyes, I have used this Wet n Wild Contour. I have tried to use the products which I am very smooth on, that is why. Otherwise, I do have lot of other powders and everything, and sometimes I suck at the liner part, and that is why I have used this kajal to apply as liner. Of course, it is not that perfect, but not bad also. For my eyebrows, I have used Maybelline, sorry, not Maybelline, Blue Heaven Artisto Brow Styler. For the face, for contouring, I have not applied highlighter, and generally I don't apply. And you must be wondering why I'm looking at this, because over here I have my mirror. So that is why I'm looking at the mirror and I'm just checking whether everything is proper or no. And this is what my basic makeup is. I usually do this kind of makeup only. And for the face, I have used this Sugar Subtle Summit palette number 1. I've used this contour shade, same contour, and the blush same. And since I forgot the lipstick, I have used this Marie Claire or Marie Claire. I'm not sure how to pronounce. This is the new brand which is just recently launched on Flipkart as well as on Myntra. I have one separate video on this, so I am not sure whether if it is like live before this, then I'll link that video up in the button, or else it will be like linked in the description box. You can check. And if it was not up before this, then definitely stay tuned to my channel. The lipstick video, swatch video, is definitely going to come on my channel. So this is the lipstick, and the shade is, I'll just tell you, Fabulous Rust. This is the shade what I'm having right now on my lips. So this is the basic makeup what I have done in 5 minutes. I'm not sure whether you all will like this or no, but for me it is quite satisfactory. It is little bit presentable, not ever, little bit presentable. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comment section. And if you're watching till here, that means you're liking my content. If yes, give it a huge thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family. Ask them also to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to give it a like. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.